Yo, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Chicken Joe, aka Chicken, and today we're gonna go to a car meet slash a car cruise. There's this YouTuber by the name of Borges. He's well known in the San Diego area, and he's hosting a cruise slash a little meet in Rancho Cucamonga, or Cucamonga, whatever, at a wrap shop. He's gonna be unveiling his new wrap for his Subi, and I'm actually gonna head down there with a couple guys that I met at car meets. And before anything, look what just pulled up. I don't know if it's an Evo or a Lancer, but oh, my boy's kind of out here flexing low key. But yeah, y'all, I'm just waiting for them to pull up, and while I wait, I'm just gonna wipe down the car real quick because it was filthy before I got here. All right, so there's a cop over there, but I'm not trying to start my car. But the homie pulled through in his bad Kia, bro, the Stinger to be exact, on the Workmeisters. That carbon trunk, bro. Like I said, bro, my last video, if you guys see my last video, I took some photos of this thing, so hopefully we're gonna go and take a little shoot afterwards too. But yo, this is literally like the perfect daily. Once I get a daily, it's gonna look a little something like this. All right, guys, so we're with the boy, little Stinger. Alright guys, so hopefully the mic picked that up. Got the boy Subi over here.
Oh, you have some on your window.
Oh, that's
how hard
clean.
is it to clean this? Wow.
Damn, can't touch that? Yeah. Oh, dude, it's not that sandpapery.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be a lot rougher.
It's like 500 grit.
Yeah, yeah, I thought it was gonna be a
Yo,
lot
this thing's
rougher.
clean, bro. What the fuck?
Oh yeah,
That's kind of smart.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Especially
a lot of
if there's
people
kids.
touch.
People,
If there's kids.
It's just something people are gonna want to touch.
Yeah, that's kind of smart.
But it's just when the people touch, just when it's like straight.
Yeah, dirty hands.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't know.
But on the show cars, the people don't touch a lot.
Yeah.
Because you know it's.
These two clean ass whips over here. Both on bats.
You know, both on bags.
Yeah, right. Alright, you guys, brief little voiceover intermission. So the boy Chris was just giving a little speech, you know, some light. People were still walking around. It was still hella hot outside, so I don't even know how we were surviving. But the homie was over here eating a glizzy like, yo, out in public, what is you doing? Now, we still had about 45 minutes to wait for the wrap reveal, so we decided to go take another gander, take a little walk, and check out what cars pulled up before we headed back and checked out the wrap reveal. So let's get it. It's got the R. Let people know it's a type R or what? Oh, the tummy, dude. Bro, what the fuck? Dude. On the fucking triple chrome TEs? What the fuck? Put your phone back up.
Yeah, put your phone back up, bro.
Put your phone back up.
You're horizontal.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God.
There it is!
Hey, looks clean, Chris.
I like that
Cop some
color.
merch. What you cop? What you cop?
Got a shirt, jacket, jet tag.
You got the bag special, 10% off for being on bags. Yeah, I've never seen it too.
Yeah, I'm gonna do more.
Look at this thing over here. Hold on. We got the 326 wing. That's honestly my favorite wing. I'm a big fan of wings. Hold up, pause. Alright, y'all, about to take some photos real quick. About to switch out the lens. About to shoot the boys Kia Stinger on bags and Meisters. Told him to go sit over there, get some shots. So let's get it real quick.
3-5 to the face, 4-5 on my waistline, hustling every day. I be working overtime, niggas still hating, cause a nigga on his grind. These hoes ain't worth a thing. I'ma get rich or die. Smoking 3-5 to the